Some people believe that the future of motoring belongs to silent, lithium-ion battery packs that sound like a gentle dishwasher on an ecocycle. Those people are totally wrong, because what you are looking at here is not a sensible Superpan family shuttle. No, this is a 2.5-ton cathedral of a speed, fitted with a pair of turbochargers the size of dustbin lids, and a message to the eco wires that simply reads, "Not today." Underneath this sculpted bonnet lies the beating heart of a lunatic. It's AMG's updated 4-liter twin-turbo V8. Now, usually, when European regulators get their hands on a V8, they strangle it, muzzle it, and force it to wear a cardigan. But AMG's engineers went into the shed and fitted it with a flat-plane crankshaft. A flat-plane crankshaft in a heavy SUV? That's like fitting a racehorse with jet boots. It revs higher, responds faster, and fires like a heavy artillery barrage. The stats: 612 horsepower, 850 newton meters of torque, and because we live in the 2020s, it's got a 48-volt mild hybrid motor squeezed into the gearbox that it chucks in an extra 23 horsepower just for a laugh. 0 to 60 takes 3.9 seconds. 3.9 in a vehicle that has enough leather inside to reupholster the House of Lords. Now, physics dictates that when an object weighing as much as a small island enters a corner at 90 miles an hour, it should roll over and fall into a ditch, but it doesn't. Look at this, no body roll. But how? Because of something called AMG Active Ride Control, electromechanical anti-roll bars that read the road surface 1,000 times a second. If it senses a bend coming, computer-controlled actuators literally fight gravity to keep you level. It's like having Isaac Newton himself underneath the floorboards, holding the chassis flat with his bare hands. It is ridiculous. It defies science. You turn the wheel, the 4MATIC plus all-wheel drive sends power to whichever wheel has the most grip. The electronic wheel diff locks up, and suddenly you are not in an SUV anymore. You are in a ballistic missile with cup holders. Of course, when you are not scaring your passengers to death, it's actually rather lovely in here. The front end has been sharpened with a huge AMG grille and new LED light signature. Inside, you get the latest MB.OS tech, carbon fiber everywhere, and seats that massage your back while you obliterate sports car at a traffic light. Is it perfect? Well, no. There are enough drive modes and sub-menus in this screen to land a spacecraft on Mars. If you just want to turn on the heated seats, you practically need a degree in computer software. In a world obsessed with sensible choices, efficiency charts, and quiet electric pods, the AMG GLE 63S is completely irrational. It is big, it is loud, and it consumes fuel like a jet engine on takeoff. And that is why I love it. Because in an era where cars are turning into appliances, Mercedes-AMG has given us one last magnificent, thunderous roar. It is the most absurd SUV in the world. And with that bombshell, it's time to wrap up. Back to the studio. If you are pleased with this Jeremy Clarkson themed review, just don't forget to like, subscribe to AutoPrime, and drop a comment below. And see you in the next one.